Hi guys, today we are back again to do some more work on the Kia Sorento. Now this one is a diesel 2.2 liter turbo one. I want to change the air filter on the engine. Let's see how to get it off and then we'll go from there. Now up here it says pull out to open the filter. So it looks like it got some points here. So 1 and 2. So once you do that, it lets you pull that thing out from here. So this way, and this one goes this way to unlock, and then you pull this out. It's pretty bad. Once you inspected your the filter, or put a brand new one, and just so insert that this way so that you can see the locks there too. So you just go that and this one there so that doesn't come out, and then pretty much close that thing. Yep, that's it. Done.